Okay, everybody wants to know about the snow, and I'm gonna make my first call. I've looked at the maps and I looked at things, and I kind of have an impression of what's going to happen, basically from the end of this week through Thanksgiving, and into that weekend, because there'll be multiple bouts of precipitation coming through. Not all is going to be snow, of course, but some people get hit with the first one, nobody gets hit with the second one, then the third one. Some people get hit with some snow with that one too. So we'll go through this. This map takes you from Wednesday night around 8 o'clock. Prior to that, temperatures aren't that bad for this time of the year. And there's only bouts of sprinkles and showers around a little bit, but that's about it. But anyway, as we get to Wednesday night around 8 o'clock, you can see some rain moving into western PA, some heavier rains in these yellows here. You can see it as it moves to the east. This is around midnight. That's around midnight. You can see not raining pretty good, even up towards Erie or just to the east of Erie. Some heavier rain. As you can see, it's kind of like a little pinkish in here and in here. They can use the rain, so there's some rain, but the changeover is on its way for some people. As the low rotates around, cold air will come in underneath it, and then this takes you to around 2 o'clock in the morning. Thursday morning, Wednesday night, Thursday morning, and you can see it's turned to snow out here. And then we move this ahead. You can see it spinning around, but it's going up towards the northeast. This is around 4 o'clock in the morning, Thursday morning, and you can see it rotate up and out. And then what comes behind it is kind of a circulation thing, and it comes off the lakes. And this takes you to around 11 o'clock Thursday night, the 21st, and then you can see the snow coming down at this point. So it's kind of different kind of bands of snow with the rotation of this. This takes you to around 2 o'clock in the morning, Friday morning. Here's 5 o'clock in the morning. Here's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and you can see it right through here. Pretty good snow coming down, and all this extends all the way out here, just to the west of Reading. So that's see some flakes in the air out there. I don't think you see accumulation from this one, but as it rotates off the lakes and the sun comes out, the waters on the lakes here are pretty warm. So it'll it'll rain as it comes off the lakes, and then when it hits the higher elevations out here, it'll turn over to some snow. And this is around 11 o'clock in the morning on Friday, the 22nd. You can see it moving during the daytime hours across. It moves into eastern PA. This is around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday, the 22nd. It does skim into northern New Jersey about 8 o'clock at night on Friday, the 22nd. Still snowing down here and here, and it's back to rain. So it's kind of off. It's kind of a little bit of everything. This takes you overnight, and you can see there's still some snowflakes around, especially in the northern part of the state. This is more of a squall action at that point in time. This is Saturday afternoon, and then you can see it's just off and on. And then you got to go a little bit further out into the following week. Let's see here if we can bring this up. Here comes a rain event. This is Monday night around 11 o'clock on the 27th. So I'm trying to keep up with me here. And you can see this rain moves through Tuesday. This is Tuesday. This is Tuesday afternoon. It's basically rain for everybody, all the way down from Delaware, Jersey, all the way up to Erie here. So we kind of need the rain, especially in eastern PA. And as it goes into the nighttime hours, there is a changeover up here, up towards Hunter Mountain, up that way. And but it's still raining. It still comes across, so it's a pretty good dose of rain. This is Wednesday afternoon, the day before Thanksgiving. Basically, rain, so anything that's fallen snow-wise is pretty much gone. And then we got this next little system that's going to come through. This is Friday morning around 8 o'clock. That's some moderate snow there. It kind of comes across the state, rain to the south, snow to the north on Friday, and it goes up and curls around and goes up through the Poconos, through northern New Jersey, and then off, and then we're left with some snow flurries and squalls behind it. So kind of chilly. How much snow? Now, I'm not going to break it down to each storm, but I think these are a little overdone, but this is what you would get total. But remember that rain in between kind of knocks it down. Let's see here if I can tune this in a little bit. Um, that's the snow that comes in. Let's actually go backwards here. This is the first band of snow that comes through. Okay, that's the first band right there. That's the one later on in the week. Higher elevations get more snow, of course, than the lower elevations. And then the second band that comes through is going to be basically rain. And then the next band that comes through on the end of the week, that's the one where some areas that didn't get snow. And as you can see, northern New Jersey, even down here, and southeastern PA gets a little bit of snow. The Poconos get snow. And again, once again, the higher elevations that had snow, that had it erased because of the rain, now get a little bit snow back again. So everybody gets a little bit of everything here. So the weather gets really interesting, but for the most part, it gets wet, and that's kind of what we need right now across the state of PA, Delaware, and New Jersey to get rid of these dry conditions where we're getting these little forest fires and brush fires going up. All right, that's the way it looks right now. Again, you're talking about 10 days, 2 weeks, and it could vary, but right now, that's kind of the call for right now. So just keep that in mind as you get through the holidays. All right, this is Fred. You take it easy. Don't forget, join up www.weather-outlook.com. It's a one-time charge of $35, and it's good for a full year. There's maps on there for different areas across Pennsylvania, Delaware, and New Jersey that are more specific to where you live. All right, take it easy.